Everyone, we are the third year Comlib student from Gideon State University, and this is our case study about gender and development. We choose the LGBTQ plus right progress. Now, so let's proceed. First is the introduction. The LGBTQ rights movement has evolved over time. In antiquity, Greek and Roman civilization accept both heterosexual and homosexual relationship. So one sa nasod no, especially in Greek and Roman, ilang gina-accept ya po ng relationship sa kanang homosexual, sa mga LGBT, same-sex marriage pa ilang gina-accept. So however, political and religious beliefs lead to the legal persecution and social and targeting of LGBTQ identities. Colonial era laws banning homosexuality still persists in many former European colonies. So ang kaning LGBTQ identities no kay ginabanan ni siya na law sa ang law sa homosexual pero still ga exist ya po ni siya sa kuan sa uban nasud sa Europe sa mga colonies sa Europe. The modern movement gained momentum in the mid-20th century with the 1969 Stonewall riots in New York City, marking the start of global LGBTQ equality activism. So, since some countries have legalized same-sex marriage now, like pinalegalize na nilang mga LGBTQ like Netherlands, Canada, US, katong 2005 sa Canada rin, 2015 sa US, silang ginalegalize ang same-sex marriage. So the analysis of the LGBTQ is first is the impact on society, marriage equality in the United States, prohibited laws against same-sex relationship in most states, Defense of Marriage Act Duma of 1996 restricted federal marriage benefits to heterosexual couples. Supreme Court's 2015 decisions, Obergefell Hodge legalized same-sex marriage nationwide. Despite progress, challenge persists due to state-level discrimination regulation. So in 2015 no decision of Obergefell Hodge yang legalize ang same-sex marriage nationwide. Pero naya po mga state yapon na ginaalaw yapon nila ang discrimination. Mao na siya ang one impact on society.
LGBTQ rights plus rights in Scandinavia. Sa Scandinavia nga nasod sama sa Sweden, Norway o Denmark naguna sa paghatag og mga katungod sa LGBTQ+. Ang Sweden una nga na legalize sa homosexual kaniadtong year 1944 og misunod sa legal nga pagila sa gender transition niadtong 1972. Ang mga nasod sa Scandinavia nagpa siugda sa ligon nga mga balaod batok sa discriminations ug naghatag sa legal nga mga relasyon sama sa mga same sex.
So the next topic will be the criminalization of LGBTQ plus identities in Uganda. So Uganda's Anti-Homosexuality Act of 2014 originally imposed death sentences for homosexuality. So ang homosexuality or like ma-attract og same sex ang usa ka tawo is kuan siya criminal act siya sa Uganda. So in 2014 makuan siya nga pwede ka makuan og death sentence if ma-prove nga homosexual ka. So international pressures lead to the removal of the harshest punishment, but LGBTQ plus individuals still face arrest, abuse, and social rejection in Uganda. And this topic is not insisting only in Uganda but also makita mo ginato sa uban nga bisag diri sa ato ang locality is mura siya na rejection or kanang pag-discriminate if makita nila nga mabalaan or kuan nga homosexual ka or member ka sa LGBTQ. So lack of legal protection in Uganda underscores or highlights the need for global support to safeguard LGBTQ plus human rights. So, mura siya, dako gyud tag impact if makita bitaw sa tibuok kalibutan nga unsa ka importansya, unsa ka importante nga proteksyonan po ug tagaan po pagtagad ang rights sa mga LGBTQ nga dili bitaw sila discriminate or dili siya himuon nga criminalization. So,
Topic is effectiveness of current responses. Despite progress in LGBTQ rights protection, deficiencies remain in law enforcement and social attitudes. Legal safeguards exist but are inadequately enforced, posing dangers to LGBTQ plus individuals. Over 60 nations continue to criminalize homosexual relationships. Limited limited availability of LGBTQ plus specialized medical providers leads to healthcare disparities. Enduring social stigma results in discrimination in education, workplaces, and public spaces. Solutions require both improved policy enforcement and broader cultural transformation. Bisan pa sa kadagan sa kalampusan sa LGBTQ plus rights, adunay mga hagit nga nagpabilin ang problema sa discrimination o kasamtangang mga balaod dili perfect sa tanang dapit. Ug sa ubang mga nasod, wala pa kini napatuman og tarong hinungdan nga dagang LGBTQ plus naglisod sa ilang panginabuhi labaw sa 60 ka nasod sa tibuok kalibutan.
So, based sa among case study nga na conduct or analysis is nami recommendations nga 5 ka buok. So, first is the anti-discrimination law. So, governments should create and strictly enforce broad anti-discrimination laws. So, it is one of the effective way nga para mas malesen ang pag-discriminate or mas na-equal rights ang LGBTQ plus members and mga straight nga mga tao. So, second is inclusive education. So, schools should include LGBTQ plus programs to teach diversity and reduce prejudice. So, also, school is an effective platform nga mas ma-educate ang mga student or mga tao kung unsa ang sakto nga meaning or para mas masabtan nila kung unsa ang LGBTQ members and mas ma-lessen bitaw ng pag-discriminate o kung makakita sila, for example is makakita sila mga gay, dili nila dito bitaw nga kanang i-judge. So third is public awareness campaigns. Governments and NGOs should partner to promote inclusivity and challenge stereotypes. Fourth is mo na siya murag pinaka-importante sa nga tanan para sa mua accessible healthcare. Also, authorities should ensure LGBTQ plus affirming healthcare services are easily available. So, muna siyang usa nga murag dakong impact para sa ilaha nga mo'y mas nindot i-address or mo'y nindot i-kuan nga program. Okay. Usually, LGBTQ plus is prone good siya sa mga viruses or sakit nga makuha nimo if naamoy physical contact or nakik-intercourse sila same sex nila. So, lastly is global accountability. International organizations should hold governments accountable for LGBTQ plus rights.
Achieving LGBTQ rights is crucial for social progress and equality. Despite significant accomplishments, many still face discrimination and legal challenges. Better equality requires collective effort in policy creation, raising awareness, ensuring equal legal protection for all. Continuous pursuit of LGBTQ plus rights is essential. Everyone, regardless of gender, identity, or sexual orientation, should live free from discrimination. So, LGBTQ rights, nag-improve siya, no? In some countries, but still ang discrimination naaragya pun siya, dili gyud na sa mawala. So, to create a fair and equal society, nanglan nato na kuan. Natay mga ligo na mga balaod, no? Stronger laws to protect LGBTQ people. Then, education para sa mga tao. Pasabot sila ba, help them understand the difference ba? Accept the differences by accept. And also support from the government and the community. Everyone should be free to live without fear, no matter their gender identity or sexual orientation. That's all. Thank you.